I was about to make the same rookie mistake by starting the video and not pressing record on my phone. But yeah. Welcome back to my channel. I do need to work on the intro because I feel like I'm starting my videos all over the place. To be fair, I'm all over the place because I don't really. So, finally recording. My parcel came. I haven't been putting videos out because I had an exam, uni and da 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 da. So yeah, like my final year and basically finished now. Well, yeah. So now we're gonna be focusing on this. Okay, we're gonna be focusing on this. Today's video is a thumbnail with that. I need to really take it out. So I ordered this like a few weeks ago. It sold out instantly when it dropped. And today I'm going to be reviewing it. I'm going to be reviewing the Ashley Graham Revlon Never Enough Lip edition. I haven't even opened it yet. But yeah, I'm so excited. It has the red lipstick, the lip gloss and the lip liner. I did need a red lipstick as well because I don't really have red, like signature red. I'm not too sure how the lip gloss is going to be because I don't really know my lip gloss. Don't really fuck with it, no. I ordered this on Amazon, but it does take like a few weeks to come. But yeah, just uni stress. But I'm gonna make a whole new video on what's going down with me. God, this looks so nice. Okay. Ooh, what's going on? So this is the Revlon Colour Stay Red Lip Liner. I can't see myself because I'm recording on my iPhone. And I'm using the back camera, so I don't really know what I'm doing right now, and I don't even know if this is even in the camera, but let's hope so, let's hope so, let's hope so, let's hope. And then we have, I love the packaging. That looks good. And the red lip gloss. But let's put this on. I'm talking, man. Let's get crackling. So first, I'm gonna do the lip liner with a lipstick. Or should I do the lip gloss? Lip gloss. No. You know what? I'm gonna try the lip gloss first, the lipstick by itself, and then maybe combine somehow. I'm sorry for my squeaky chair as well. I can't handle it. This is going on really nice. I thought it'd be hard to like for the colour to actually get onto the lips. This is nice. I'm gonna try the lip gloss with the lip liner. Okay. They don't smell like. I love the smell of matte lipsticks. They just smell so good. I was just expecting this to smell good. But it don't matter. It's how it's gonna be on. I don't know how it looks on camera, but it looks pinky red. No, it's actually nice, but I feel like it's pinky rather than red. Do you know what I mean? But how red can a lip gloss be with colour? Do you know what I mean? I'm gonna reapply the Luscious liner. I just finished recording, yeah, and bloody went to like watch it back, and it cut off when I was doing the lip. So this is the lipstick with a little bit of the gloss on the middle. You can see. So I applied this here, and then I applied this all over my lip. I like the red. And I do need a red as well, so this is great. And I feel like it's one of those ones where you're on the beach, not on the beach, like a beach party in the evening or something, and you're in like a white nice dress and the sun's kissed you nicely, and you got put this red lipstick on and like natural eyes, natural this dark bang. And what I'm gonna do is like give it like an hour or two. I'm not gonna touch my lips, and then I'm gonna come back and see like how much has stayed on, how much has, if it lasts, all that jazz. So don't worry if you wanna, I got you. So far so good. I'd give it like a 9 out of 10. Good quality. I really like the lip gloss as well. I didn't think I would. Lip liner, 9. And the lipstick, like pink, like everything's nice. So, and I'll come back and see what this is really saying. Okay? See you back. So, it's been about 5 hours. I was meant to come back and tell you that, you know, this is what the lipstick is saying now. It looks fine, I think. It's just obviously you need to top it up going inside. It doesn't feel dry. It still kind of has that moistured finito. I'm recommending this. I got this off Amazon. I'll try and like leave the link in the description box as well. It took about 2 weeks to come. And that's it for today. It was a quick video reviewing this